Is everyone doing? It's a Tuesday and time for another video. Today I have some ginger powder with me. I have black pepper, salt, some coriander powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, and some chicken masala. These are the spices I'm going to use to marinate this chicken. And I'm also going to add some little cooking oil. On top of that, I have some butternut on the side. This butternut I had peeled previously, and now I'm just going to dice it into some small sizes. Then I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to start off by frying my chicken. Frying this chicken requires me to cook it in a low, moderate heat in order to bring out that, to have that crispy covering on the chicken once it's done, and also for it to cook properly on the inside of the chicken. You have to cook under some low, moderate heat, and the end product should be a crispy top and well cooked inside. As you can see, I'm showing you right there. And also, I'm going to set that aside, and also I'm going to cook some sauce for this, which I'm going to add some curry leaves, some fresh chili, and some onions. I'm going to follow that with some peeled and diced tomatoes. I'm adding some turmeric and curry powder. Then on top of that, I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. I'm going to give this a good mix, after which I'm going to add some of that oil that I was frying the chicken with, just to add flavor to the sauce. And then on top of that, I'm going to add some tomato paste, give that a good mix, add some little water into it, and I'm going to take it out and blend it. And as that is blended, I'm going to add some little water just to avoid sticking and all that. And it's important to always note that spices, it's important to cook them off. Cook it out completely until there's until that aroma is completely run out, so that it doesn't bring any problems later on. And cooked spices are very dangerous to your health. So as we continue, we're going to start cooking our butternut. The butternut, I'm going to use some onions. I've added a vegetable stock cube to it, and I've added my butternut. At this point, I'm going to add some little ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to add some coriander powder, some salt, and then I'm going to add some little water to give this time to cook off and also become soft. At this point, I had prepared some coconut milk, which I'm going to pour into the butternut, give that a good mix, add some seasoning, of course, and then at this point, I'm going to plate my dish by adding my sauce at the center. I position my chicken, as you can see, and the butternut on the opposite direction, and some fresh cilantro for garnishing. Thank you for watching, guys.